All right, thanks for joining me for the final part of the practice test videos. And this is going to be, of course, on word problems. So let's go ahead and read problem 13. It says that you earn $12 per hour. Okay, $12 per hour. But on Memorial Day, you earn twice as much per hour. Well, that's cool. You earned a total of $336 for the week, including Memorial Day. How many hours did you work if you worked 5 hours on Memorial Day? Okay, so let's think about this for a minute. You get $12 per hour. Except on Memorial Day, I'll just say MD, you get twice as much. Okay, so what's twice as much as 12 per hour? 24 per hour. Nice. Okay, so on Memorial Day, you get $24 per hour. Check. It says you worked for 5 hours on Memorial Day. They tell you that you worked 5 hours on Memorial Day. So let's go ahead and figure out how much money did you earn on Memorial Day. So that's going to be $24 times 5 hours. Okay, and 24 times 5 is going to equal, calculator, 24 times 5 equals 120. So on Memorial Day, you earned $120. Now let's think about everything else we know. You know you earned $12 per hour. So that's going to be 12 times the number of hours you worked, right? Plus you get this $120 on Memorial Day. And that totals to how much for the week? $336 for the week. All right. So again, you know you get $12 per hour. So we're going to multiply $12 times the number of hours you worked. And then we're going to add that special Memorial Day bonus, and you get $336. Now you just have to solve the equation. So let's get rid of that 120 first. Subtract 120 from both sides, and you get 12 hours equals 216. I forgot my h here. Just kidding. Let's divide now by 12 on both sides so we get the h by itself. And h is going to equal 18. All right, so 18 hours there. Now it's a good idea to plug it back in, or at least think through it and make sure it makes sense. So if you earn $12 per 18 hours, let's see what 12 times 18 is. That's 216 from your regular work. And you got 24 times, we already did the math on your Memorial Day work, was 120. So 216 plus 120 should equal 336, and it does. So that all makes sense, and it looks like we are good to go. So we worked 18 hours, and we'll just write it like this. And that's your final answer. Okay, let's look at number 14. Your school's drama club charges $5 per student for admission to CATS. Okay, sorry about that. One more time. Your school's drama club charges $5 per student for admission to CATS, the musical. So let's underline that, $5 per student. Okay. The club borrowed $750 from parents to pay for costumes. Okay, it looks like they owe $750 to pay for costumes, props, and the set. After paying back the parents, the drama club has $250. So at the very end, they have $250. Now your question is, how many students attended the play? Okay, so let's think through this again. We know it was $5 per student, so we're going to do 5 times the number of students that attended. 5 times the number of students that attended will give us the total amount of money that the drama club made. Now, from that total amount of money that they make, it sounds like they need to pay back these parents, that $750, right? So when you pay that back, that's going to be a minus $750. And then once all of that is done, they're going to be left with $250. So this is what our equation is going to look like. So let's start solving it. First, we're going to get rid of the $750, so we're going to add $750 to both sides. And then we've got 5s over here and 1,000 over here. And then we're just going to divide by 5 on both sides. And s is going to equal 200. Can you see that? Let me move this over a little bit. Okay, so S equals 100, so 200. So I think 200 students bought tickets. Let's just grab our calculator and make sure all of that makes sense. So if it was $5 per student and 200 students bought tickets, that means the drama club would have made a total of $1,000. And then they had to pay back those parents the $750, so they give back the $750 and they're left with $250, which is exactly what the problem says they're left with. So I think we did good. Yay! So let's go ahead and write it with our units. Our units in this case are the students, so we're going to say 200 students. And then we are done. Good work. Thanks for joining me.